Hello YouTube, BitChute, Facebook, Minds, or anywhere else this video might end up. This is BirdoPrey5, and I need to tell you quickly about a new social media network extension called Dissenter, and it comes in the form of a browser extension. You can get it for Chrome, you can get it for Firefox, any major browser, Safari, whatever browser you're using almost, they will certainly have a way to do it. I'm going to show you today really quickly how to install it on Google Chrome. And the problem it solves is this: censorship is increasing dramatically. Rotten Tomatoes recently took away the ability to leave negative comments on movies you don't want to see. Doesn't matter the reason why they did it. More than likely, this type of censorship will continue in the future. And while it is completely legal, it is also completely legal that we go around it. We get around it and we leave comments anywhere we want. If a YouTuber disables comments on a controversial video, or even if it's not controversial, you still want to leave a comment. It doesn't have to be negative, it could be positive. You will now have the option of doing it, and many other people will see it and they will upvote it, they will downvote it, they will like it, they will dislike it, they will comment on it, and the dialogue continues. No matter what, the dialogue will continue. So let me tell you how to get started really quickly. The magic behind this, the app or the browser extension is called Dissenter, Dissenter, DISSENTER.com, but it is powered by the social network gab.com, Gab.com. So let's go there now. Okay, this is the Gab homepage. You need to start off by creating an account. You hit the create account, you put in your email, hit create account, and go through the actions of joining Gab. I'm not going to show you that. You guys are not idiots. I'm sure you can figure out how to join Gab. It's free, it's simple. Gab is basically like a Twitter, but a Twitter with far less censorship. But for all practical purposes, it is a Twitter clone. Except a Twitter clone you will not be thrown off of unless you are actually breaking some sort of law. So I'm just going to log in, and they start in a dark mode, unlike Twitter, whose default is light, but whatever. This is Gab. Nothing much. You can follow people here. If you want to follow me, you can. I'm at BirdoPrey5, letter O, number 5, just like I am at Twitter, YouTube, and everywhere else. So, but it's not important. The important part is you've got a Gab account. Perfect. Now you go to Dissenter.com. And again, that's DISSENTER.com. Assuming you have logged into Gab, you come here. First thing you probably want to do is get Dissenter. It's in the top left of the page. Click on it. Very easy. This is even easier than it was yesterday. Yesterday I did a much longer video with more commentary, and it was a much harder process because they were not yet in the Google Chrome or Firefox stores. I call it stores, but of course it's free. So very simple. You can just get it for Chrome. This is Google Chrome we're using. Clicking on it. Add to Chrome. This is the Dissenter extension. This is the official Chrome web store. Adding it to Chrome. It can read and change your data on all Dissenter.com sites. Yes, it's a very basic permission. Adding the extension, and it's here. It took a second to install, and it says Dissenter extension has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on the icon or by pressing Alt Shift and D as in danger. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to close this. We're back at Dissenter. It's time to log in. It's going to ask you for your Gab username and password. Now, Dissenter is powered by Gab. It is Gab. It's not only Gab approved. It's a Gab powered network, I guess, social network, for lack of a better word. It's really more of like a Gab add-on. You log in. Now, for the first time you do this login, you will have to approve. You will have to tell that you approve of Dissenter to use your Gab account, which is fine. You can go ahead and do that. It's completely safe. And it says, welcome to Dissenter. You can get started. Dissenter calls itself the comment section of the internet. So what has it done? What do you do? Well, let me show you. The quickest way is, we know Rotten Tomatoes, Captain Marvel. We'll go there, of course, because this is by far the most popular thing. The biggest controversy of the last 48 hours was the fact that, hey, we can't leave a negative comment anymore. I mean, I used to be able to. In fact, I spent time making a comment, and now it's gone. So you know what? I still want to comment. I still want to read what other people are saying. So you know what? Now you just click here on the Dissenter extension, and up pops this bar. And look at this. These are all comments left by other people on this particular web page. Okay, they're only showing a certain amount, but trust me, there are a lot more. I don't know if there's going to be a way to reload it. This is still a very new technology. They are adding features all the time, but you can leave a comment. Oh, top. Okay, right here. So it top comments. These are the ones with the most upvotes. Controversial. I guess these are ones with, I don't know what changes between top and controversial, and latest. So latest are the newest ones, which probably, yeah, right. These don't have any upvotes yet, but they might soon enough. So you can see, just a minute ago, somebody left a message. 4 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. So by now there are hundreds and hundreds of messages that have been left on this site for the Captain Marvel movie. And, some are better thought out than others. Certainly the top ones are going to be more reasoned, probably. But it's here. That's the whole point of this. Obviously, it seems it's just a little bit of work. What did it take? 2-3 minutes to install this? But this is a game changer because it's not just Rotten Tomatoes. It's not just movies. It is any web page, anywhere in the internet. Antitracker.com, where I am the administrator. This is Antitracker's website. You can leave a comment here. I did yesterday, and it's still here. Hello, Antitracker. Love the site and your videos. Keep it up. If you don't want to, you could come here. You could leave a comment. Any website, my own web forum. If you wanted to leave a comment, you could. But you could leave a comment in the forum too. So before I get off the rails, that's how you do it. You get your Gab account, you get your Dissenter account, you download the extension, and before you know it, you can now comment any web page, anywhere online, about anything you want. Real quick, if you click right here, that will share your comment to your Gab account, and Gab being like Twitter. So it basically just puts it in your timeline, and other people can see it if they're looking at you or they're following you. So more often than not, I'd probably share it to Gab. And then if you are, now because Gab is more hands-off than Twitter, if you're actually putting in not safe for work material, go ahead and check the NSFW, not safe for work box. Your content will still be posted. It's just that people who've elected not to see not safe for work content won't see it, which is good. This way, if somebody's reading at work or someplace, they don't want to see things, they can check it out later. But you're basically asked to self-censor a bit, and as adults, we all can understand why there's reason to do that. But either way, you get to make your message. So I've already gone longer than I wanted. Please, please, please try Dissenter. It is going to be a game changer in my opinion. And with that, I think that's all I've got left to say. Please, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Please, in the comments, either on Dissenter or YouTube, hopefully YouTube, or whatever network I have this posted on. Please, please, please share this. The more people that get to know about this, the quicker, the better it is for everyone. It will help the cause of free speech in general. There's my other video. I'll leave a link in the description. I went into a lot more of the detail than I'm going to go here, but it is important. It is important you share it. Make your own version of this video. That's fine too. I don't care. I don't need the credit. Please just get the message out there. With that, kapla, and I hope you check out some of my other videos. Thank you all for watching my video. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. Without it, you won't get notifications of new videos. If you want to visit me, check out my forum at juot.net. I'm also on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, and Gab. And if you're really crazy, you can send me some money on PayPal. Take care.